Got the police helicopter heading out south again. Anyway, behind me is the old road. Cuts through Mangere Bridge, heads off to the airport. Well, it used to. This was the main route for vehicles to use up and down here. It's no longer used. Well, it is for cyclists, fishermen, pedestrians. Late night activities. The bridge is going to be closing next week, so I'm just going to take one last skate here. This road hasn't been used in decades since they put that motorway up there, the new bridge. So I'm going to go down there and reminisce a bit, talk a bit about the bridge. I enjoy skating down this old road. I've got a week to do it, and then it's goodbye. Behind me here is the old silos where the cement ship used to come in and offload the cement. We had a number of ships coming in there. We had the Spirit of Enterprise, which actually nudged this bridge a couple of times, helped to damage it. We've also got the Westport, which is run aground over in Iceland at the moment, just a couple of weeks ago. Over 100 tons of cement still in it, and I think it was 14 tons of fuel. I haven't heard any more on that. Now on some days you can come down here and there are up to 100 fishermen or more. But they've since put these railings across. They've only kept the safe bits of the bridge open for fishermen to use. The boat just leaving. So they've got a couple of like 20-metre sections here you can fish off now, but that's only good for a week. The rest is closed off. As you can see, it's danger, keep out. We're coming down to the all-tide boat ramp, which is quite often home to the fur seals. It's not uncommon to see seals in the harbour now, with Watercare doing the harbour clean-up. You see seals. We've even had a sea turtle come up in here. So the gate's behind me. That's what they've installed. Sunday the 25th midnight, they're going to be closing them. There'll be no more access to the bridge. They're going to build the new one in between the old and the new. 8 metres wide, and in some parts it'll be 14 metres to allow for the fishing bays. You can see the condition of the bridge behind me. It ain't the best. That's the reason they're taking it down. It's going to take 2 years for them to construct a new one, or come up with a plan to actually start construction. It'll be high enough for boats to cruise under, and they're going to be allowing for some larger boats too. I'm actually surprised there aren't too many fishermen down here. Usually this bridge is mobbed right along the railing there, but it's high tide. It's probably pointless in coming down now. The tide will be outgoing soon. Over there's the old wharf. We used to have some big ships coming here. And saying that, the big ships used to have some big accidents down there, and they used to hit the bridge. Knocked it a few times, scaring a few fishermen. It'll be sad to see that bridge go, but it's needed. Health and safety first, according to the New Zealand Transport Agency. So you've got 1 week to come down here, have a fish, say goodbye, go for a walk. It's lots of fun coming across here, and you meet some characters, that's for sure, especially after hours. Anyway, I'll see you again.